And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
My bold prediction tonight, it's going to be dark and cold. Yes, yes, yes. You can see it in the sky cam. And wait a minute. The moon is still looking good out there. Remember how we had the Beaver Blood moon last night and everybody took pictures, the total lunar eclipse, and the pictures that you all sent in were fantastic. But if you went outside tonight, the moon still looks fantastic. Not quite full anymore, and it's not blood anymore, but it still looks really cool if you were outside checking it out. And you were probably shivering a little bit if you're looking at that moon. 30s and 40s. Nice thing, though, is the breeze from earlier today finally backed off. So the winds are nearly calm, but these temperatures aren't dropping. They're going to go down. So we dip back. It's a really cold night tonight. And then you wake up tomorrow and it's chilly, right? But the day itself rebounds to the 50s, and that's not bad for this time of year. Now, when you look at the big picture coming up for the middle part of November, there's a lot of cold. But that's going to be a little bit of a break as we go into the end of the week. You're going to get this little burst of some warmer air for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's part of a system that's going to bring in some rain and some wind, especially Friday night into Saturday morning. But it's going to have like a tropical air mass to it for a couple of days before we drop the hammer on the temperature again on Sunday. And that will set us up for what appears to be a very cool week next week, where some days might not even get to 50 degrees. So tonight, we drop it back into the 30s. There'll be probably a few upper 20s mixed in. If you live in Burrillville or Pasco, or if you live in Easton, the colder prone locations will probably radiate out into the upper 20s. So you wake up, it's cold. But you bounce back to those 50s tomorrow in Rhode Island, and the winds are a little bit quieter, which is nice. So sunny, cool, yes, but low to mid 50s for this time of year is right on par with where we should be. And southeastern Mass, your temperatures in the low to mid 50s, 53 or 54 looks good. And variable winds 5 to 10. What I mean by variable is they'll start off out of the northwest and then they'll kind of turn to the southeast in the afternoon, but they'll be light throughout the day. So a look ahead. We know we got that 50-degree day on Wednesday. Take you to the 60s on Thursday. Now, it gets to near 70 for Veterans Day, but it comes with a lot of cloud cover. But any kind of ceremonies or activities that are taking place during the day, I've kept it dry. The rain should hold off until evening, but it'll be a warm but cloudy day before that rain comes in Friday night. And that rain comes from what's going to be left over from Tropical Storm Nicole now. Likely will nudge Category 1 status before making landfall somewhere near Fort Lauderdale. And that will happen in the next 24 to 36 hours. And then tracking north and becoming essentially post-tropical near Georgia and then riding up the East Coast. Everyone sees this cone of uncertainty. You're cutting right through southern New England. You think a hurricane's coming. No, that's not the case. What it is it's essentially weakening and just some rain and wind. It's the remnants or what's left over. So here's the rain down in Florida. You see the system pulling up into Georgia, South Carolina. And then by 3 p.m., it's on their doorstep, but the rain should hold off until the evening. The heaviest of rain will likely be for New York, Vermont, New Hampshire. We still get a decent rain, but not the heaviest of rain totals. It's out of here pretty quick, so by noon on Saturday, gone. The one thing I've adjusted to the forecast, it looks like there'll be a little low pressure that piggybacks, and what will happen is you'll get a little burst of rain in here on Sunday, and I have had to add a few showers for Sunday. Overall, about an inch of rain either side. Heaviest of rain will be in northern New England. And once the rain pulls out Saturday, we hit that second little low for Sunday, and then the temperatures get really cool. Monday and Tuesday, highs only in the mid 40s, and overnight lows right around 32 degrees.
I'm Nick Coyne at the Amp, where the season opener turned into a nail-biter.